Okay, volume question number 2. Now this one here is a direct relation to a foundation, except this one here might be a monolithic foundation where you would pour the footing and the wall in the same pour. And yes, this does happen, more so for garage slabs, things like that, but you still kind of might need to know how to do this. So what we're going to do here is we're going to literally calculate cross-sectional area. Okay, our cross-sectional area in this shape is that upside down T. And then we just have that last dimension, which is our length, which is that 6 feet 9. Okay. Everything else in this is the same dimension over its length. So basically the cross-sectional area in the front here, which we're going to solve for, right, remains those dimensions all the way through the shape, which is what we're going to do to calculate volume. Okay, so first things first, let's write down some actual decimal numbers here. Right, so 20 feet is 20 inches. Again, I like to work in feet, right? So I work in feet. Call me crazy. 20 inches is 1 foot 8 inch, which is 1.66 feet. 6 feet 9 is 6.75. 8 inches is 0.66. 4 foot 6 is 4.5. And then 8 inches is 0.66. Know that this 8 inches is also here, so this is 0.66 as well. Same thing as here, this is 0.66 because it's the same height. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up into the two shapes. I have area 1, which would be the foundation wall. Then I have area 2, which would be the footing. So area 1 would equal length times width or whatever, doesn't matter the order you do this in, but it would be basically my width here, 0.66 repeating, times my height, which is 4.5. So I could quickly just do that, 0.666666 times 4.5 gives me basically 3, right? 3 square feet. It's 2.999999999. So it's 3, okay? Now for area 2, which would be the bottom side of the footing there, the width is 1.66 feet, that's 20 inches. And I just multiply this by 0.66, which is the height. So 1.666666 times 0.666666 equals, and that gives me 1.11 repeating, okay? And that is also square feet. So my area total would just equal the sum of those two, which would just be 4.11 repeating. Okay, that's my area total. Now for volume total, I'm at my answer here now. So volume would be that area, 4.11 repeating square feet times this third dimension, which is 6 feet 9, 6.75. Okay. So plus the 3 on that. So I end up with 4.111111 on my calculator. And then I just times it by the 6.75. And I get 27.75. Right? And that is cubic feet. Oops, cubic feet. So I get 27.75. That's how many cubic feet it is. Now I need to turn this to cubic yards. So I divide by 27, right? So divide by 27. And I get 1.03. And that's cubic yards. So I need just over a yard to pour this little tiny wall section. Okay, that's it. Cross-sectional area times by that third dimension.